Korea county-ini ya Naikuru. Naikuru yetagwo Nakuru Girls kuma 2022. Kuma riria tuonire governor agithurwo mutumia, senator ni mutumia, women rep of course ni mutumia, na bado tuna a bunch of women MPs. Koguo igagikorwo a full Nakuru Girls Institution. Na haria niko predictagwo ati in some years into their governance ni gukorwo na tuvurugu haria na to feelings haria, and right now we are seeing it. Recently the governor of Nakuru County ni aracokire Kenya kuma US, arari maternity leave iratuthurite dereti imwe nene muno guku nenda-ini, but guess what, she is back. Na interview ile arekire ya mbere arekire kuria pale kwa kona, pale kwa Kogi kona pale hivyo, uria William Ruto agitaga kona iyo, na interview neyo ni arakorirwo akihithuria maundu maingi muno, na arauga ati ni arakoragwo akiona senator wake Keroche agikorwo akimukumithia ni guthi maternity US, and she said that was so un-African, kuona ati mutumia against mutumia ungi riria arathi kuheo ciana. Na oho arakorwo akihithuria ati Keroche aramukumithagia ni guthi thibitari kuria America, and right now she is also sick kuria London akirigitwo, na arakorwo akihithuria ati senator wa Naikuru is in a very critical condition. Uhoro uratumire media kana headlines, uhoro urahitire headlines na njira imwe nene muno.
Ona nie ngire truthful mundu maybe ukionete hanini ndigugikara haha nguhenia ati we work very well together. Ti mutumia senator
muranirwo ku na niwe wa murehe
ni ndamurehe
igiti wa munyita guko muranirwo hatondu kwaje horo wa ciana ni anegena muno
kwaje ndi ndona mutumia ukunegena ni ciana. It is very un-African. Ndiwe thina niki no na nie ni ngwenda gutake mweke uyu demo wish quick recovery ne jo ya thibitari London.
Okay.
Ugo no nyende kuga tu ni damu wish very quick recovery tondu ria nderetwo ni jo mundu murwaru ona korwo mutiguanaga ndwagĩrĩirwo kũhinya mũndũ rĩrĩa thĩ, yeah? Na no nyende senator amenye ciana nĩ blessing from God, na gũtirĩ hĩndĩ atĩ tũkwaga kũgĩa ciana tondũ tũrĩ atongoria, tondũ we are expected kũgĩa ciana, gũkorwo na family na gũtongoria, na hatirĩ thĩna hau na hanini. No niĩ ndirĩ na thĩna nake, bata amenye raini yake na wĩra wake, na niĩ ndute wĩra wakwa in 2027 ndaga nĩ njũĩ kĩrĩa arenda. No if you ask me, no ngwĩrire she's going about it the wrong way, na hihi maybe I can advise her a bit. No njugire don't be so personal. Agikorwo hari wira urutite na andu mone we muruti wira na ni uramenya uri ureka ri, whatever you want they'll give you. Not yet no muhako twike personal uhenanie urehe propaganda uthukirie mundu ritwa twana innocent wiki hau theinie. It doesn't go very far tondu ni kuri Ngai matuini. No ni ngumuhoera wega na ndimuhoere ahone.
Very good.
But guess what, the senator of Nakuru kuria London ni araigire uhoro ucio na arakorwo akiyumiria, na arakorwo agitheria na akiuga ati that is a lie. Shuguri ciake kuria London, na ashoka the first thing she is going to do is to report to the DCI, because what is she up to?
My worry now is what is she up to? What is she up to? We need to ask those questions. What does she have to? When she's telling people that I'm in critical condition, I'm in hospital, what is she up to? I think I need to ask that. These are things I need to even to report to the police.
Yeah.
Because she will be asked where she got this information that I'm in critical condition, I'm in hospital, and as you put it, that there is minutes to the grave. Imagine, what is that? What is that? So what is she up to? She needs to be reported to the police. I think that's what I'm going to do first. When I land, is to ensure I report this to the DCI. So that I know what is my governor. So, you know, I keep on saying I get threats of my life. This is one of it now. And
what is the governor up to? Gukoro akiuga ati senator is in a very critical condition. What is she up to? Iyo nio irari yuma ndumiriri ya senator Tabitha Keroche kuria London, na ni akoro akiuga ati the moment she lands in Kenya, the first thing is to report to the DCI. Tondu ginya governor ni arakorirwo akiuga ati nio hikiria marahitaniria. Nio hikiria marahitaniria na maundu matitwaragwo ihenya uguo. So it seems that Keroche is eyeing the governor's seat. Na iyo neo iratuma makoro makibisha na haria. But kubishana goko kwao ino ti siasa. I don't see it as politics. Drama unata no ikiriro kuria shai de wa chef Kathemba. Ino ti politics. Ino degiana na hizo ta politics. Oh, ni shai. Because I fail to understand how a governor can go on live and confirm that Senator wake ni murwaru and in a very critical condition. Then the following day Senator wake yumiria na akauga macio ni maheni. Yo, what is happening in Nakuru, girls? What is happening in Nakuru, girls?